Hello everyone, Princess Shabana here. Welcome back to my channel. I've been kind of bored, so I've been playing a lot of games. Luckily, one game came out that I've been looking forward to for years, which is a new Animal Crossing. Villagers are super cute, aren't they? One in particular inspired me to do this makeup look. Judy. Maybe for a Judy cosplay or something, you guys could recreate this look. And if you like this tutorial, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I've already primed my eyelids, so I'm going to go in with the ColourPop eyeshadow baseline. I'm going to keep layering it until I get a nice base for the rest of my eyeshadows. Next, I'm going to use this bright blue shade from Morphe's Color Burst palette. I'm going to layer it and blend it onto the previous shade. My makeup process is definitely a little bit wacky at first, but at the end during eyeliner, it'll all come together, trust me. Just keep blending. I'm going to go back to my Morphe palette and use this purple blue shade and sweep it across the outer corner of my brow bone area. I personally use NYX's eyeshadow base in white to put on my eyelid, but you can use whatever you like for this part. Next, I'll put Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette shade Blue Moon on my eyelid. Ooh, that was a long sentence. Then I'll put Blue Ice on my brow bone to highlight and Purple Horseshoe on my inner corner. I put Purple Horseshoe on both of my inner corners. I don't think I show it on my other eye. Finally, I'll use that bright blue shade again in my outer V, and we can move on to the next eye. For the other eye, we'll start with ColourPop shade Tickled and sweep it all over. I'm going to go in with this hot pink shade from the Morphe palette and blend it out. Then I'll go ahead and highlight my brow bone with Pink Heart. I'll repeat the process of using an eyeshadow base on my lid, and I'll put Pink Heart on top of that. Finally, I'll blend the hot pink shade on my outer V, and I'll finish up both eyes. I'm going to do a winged eyeliner look, but you can do whatever you think looks cute. I like doing my eyeliner this way because I think it makes my eyes look bigger and rounder. Now I'll do a happy dance because the look is finally coming together in my mind. Before I put on my falsies, I'll put a little bit of mascara on. The lashes I used were some cheap ones I found online. I've cut them in the inner corners so they wouldn't be too long and cover up all my eyeshadow. Time to dance while I wait for my lash glue to get tacky. There's no one way to put on lashes, but I just plop those bad boys in and fiddle with them until they finally stick. I put the eyeshadow base in my waterline to make my eyes really pop. Finally, I'm going to switch my brushes and swipe the opposite color underneath my eyes. If you look at Judy's body, you can see she has the pink and blue alternating all over. The look is now complete. I think this look is cute and has Judy's flair to it. I did my lips beforehand to match the outfit I usually see her wearing in all her pictures. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and bye for now. Mwah.